Let's get one thing straight here. There is no such thing as a 7-star hotel. There is no global standard for it, nor is there a metric to measure it. So why does everyone claim this to be a 7-star hotel? And for those of you who don't know what this hotel is, this is the Burj Al Arab in Dubai. Wow, I went full Arab there. A 321 meter tall hotel with 202 rooms. To give you perspective, that is 14 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower in France. It's on a man-made island that took 5 years to build, 2 years for the island and 3 years for the hotel. This hotel has about 1,800 square feet of 24 karat gold that is used to design the interior of the hotel. I don't even know how to pronounce this word, but they also have 24,000 square feet of statuarial marble, which was the same marble used by Michelangelo to design his famous sculptures, including the statue of David. They also have 2 top chefs holding 5 Michelin stars between them. For those of you who don't know what a Michelin star restaurant is, it's basically an Oscar for a chef. And to give you even more perspective, Gordon Ramsay has 7 Michelin star restaurants all across the globe that he currently holds today. But across his career, he has been awarded 16 Michelin star restaurants. So this shows you how incredible these chefs are at this hotel. So let's get back to the real question. Why is this considered a 7-star hotel? Because it all started with a journalist who attended the opening of the Burj Al Arab in Dubai and felt the standard 5-star rating didn't do it any justice. In fact, even 5-star hotels vary country to country. There's no real system to actually determine what is a global 5-star hotel. To make things even more complicated, all these travel websites have their own star system of rating hotels. So that means you can have the same property being 3 stars on Expedia while being 5 stars on booking.com. And that is because of the range of criteria and customers rating these hotels. And the reason that there's not many global standards that verify what is luxury in terms of 5 stars is because every country determines what is more important to them and what isn't important. For example, certain countries may value cleanliness as a #1 priority for hotels, meaning a hotel that is clean to the core with average service may be worth 3 stars to a certain hotel in a country, where that same property can be worth 5 stars in another country. But don't worry, there is one recognized global system for determining whether a hotel is 5 stars or not. And these people verify luxury. And it is well known as the Forbes star rating system. This started as the mobile travel guide in 1958, and it is still used today to verify 5-star hotel ratings. So now that we've established that the Burj Al Arab is not a 7-star hotel, let's see if it fits the criteria of a 5-star hotel according to Forbes. What Forbes does is they send their own staff as secret mystery shoppers. That means the hotel doesn't know that they're getting rated, which is the best way of doing it because that means no bias. They will then rate the hotel on a certain number of criteria, actually up to 900 objective criteria. That is insane. Like, is the inspector looking at the employee and saying, is she wearing a name tag? Check. Did she wipe that name tag with a Mr. Clean eraser? Check. Like, what is used to determine this 900 objective criteria? That's crazy to me. While they inspect both service and facility, they emphasize their system on rating it more in terms of how the hotel makes you feel versus how it looks like. I personally love this system because even Maya Angelou, who was a famous American poet, said people will forget what you said, they will forget what you do, but they will never forget how you made them feel. And if a hotel can hit that criteria and make you feel amazing and just enjoy your experience to the fullest, then wow, you are a very good hotel. This is the definition of great hospitality, and while service can be subjective to the guests, the best hotels in the world know this and actually study their target audience to know who to tailor specific service to. So while the most common attributes a guest would love is politeness, effort, interior design, amenities, restaurants, the most important trait is personalized service. Meaning the best hotels around the world takes intel on their guests and see what their favorite things are. So they know their favorite food, their favorite type of room, their favorite drink, what they like to do on vacation. They have a database full of this information and they target their audience based on their hotel brand and how they can personalize their service according to how the guest likes it. So imagine you're a guest with this type of profile. Someone who likes chocolate truffles. Your favorite drink is a rye and ginger. Your favorite activity is tanning on the beach all day long. You like a foam pillow instead of feathered pillows because you have an allergy, and you want a pet-friendly room because you need your dog Cooper to follow you everywhere you go. Then you walk into the hotel, the employee greets you by your name, checks you into the hotel, and then hands you a handwritten letter. You then walk into your room to see a glass of rye and ginger sitting on the table. Next to it, a variety of chocolate truffles desserts with a towel folded like a flamingo, and there's a basket filled with dog snacks and toys for Cooper. You open your letter and it says, "Welcome to your dream vacation. We have a spot on the beach ready for you next to the ocean waves, perfect for tanning." Next to it, your favorite meal dish will be served to you, butter chicken and naan bread. And the experience goes on and on and on. That to me is 5-star service, or according to these journalists, 7-star service. To rate properties, Forbes Travel Guide inspectors stay at each hotel for 3 days and 2 nights, posing as regular guests. They test up these objective criteria, standards from modern day luxuries, such as whether a room is set up to enhance sleep, to how the food and beverage choices are health conscious, to more traditional luxuries like the quality of the interior decor and design of the staff's uniforms. Even in the midst of a global pandemic, service remains paramount. It's more important than ever before that properties demonstrate the utmost regard for their guests' well-being. 75% of a hotel's rating is based on its service and genuine care and concern shown by the staff, while 25% is determined by the quality of its facilities. One example of a Forbes 5-star rating hotel is the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Tokyo, Japan, which by the way is one of my favorite brands. I was gonna work at a Ritz-Carlton and a very, very nice property, but too bad COVID terminated that, but it's okay. I'm gonna have more opportunities in the future. And to give you some perspective, the Ritz-Carlton is a brand that is very, very bougie. Their target audience is the ladies and gentlemen of the Ritz-Carlton. Meaning, if you're not a lady, if you're not a gentleman, don't go to the hotel because they have certain standards. The employees have to wear black and black, like just full-on suits all the time, looking clean and crisp, or else you're gonna be sent home, okay? That's just the level of service and standard that I'm trying to show you. So to answer the big question you've all been waiting for, does the Burj Al Arab fit that Forbes 5-star rating? The answer is yes, it does. And here's a few things the inspectors had to say about it. The hotel's design, decor, and architecture are just as bold and contemporary as Dubai itself. The level of personalized service, like I talked about before, found here is highly impressive. To enjoy Dubai's glorious sunny days, head to the terrace, unwind at Tali's spa, to explore Dubai in style, or simply request chauffeur transferred in one of the house Rolls Royce. So from just hearing these inspectors and what they had to say, and from doing my own research on this, I'm sure it deserves that narrative of a 7-star rating. I mean, I'm sure with the Rolls Royce chauffeur system, their 24 karat gold interior design, you'll probably have one of the best experiences of your life. And also because it's taking 70% of your life savings. I wouldn't recommend this hotel unless you're a billionaire or a crazy hotel enthusiast such as myself. So for any employee listening to this that works at the Burj Al Arab, if you want to gift me with a free stay, I'll be there by tomorrow. So there you have it. There is no such thing as an objective 7-star hotel metric. Only the truly rich and well-connected people have created this narrative. So for more content on hotels, please subscribe to my channel, as I am a hotel supervisor, very enthusiastic about giving my perspective on the hotel industry. Thank you for watching.